In this video, I'm going to make full body uptan by using papaya, cucumber and chickpea flour as a chief ingredient. This uptan will make your skin feel brighter, clear, smoother than ever for a full week. Hello and welcome to Cosmetic Academy. For making this uptan, we need 4 to 5 slices of peeled papaya, half peeled cucumber, 2 to 3 slices of bread, almond oil, 1 full cup cream, 4 full tablespoon chick flour that is besan, 1 teaspoon turmeric. All these ingredients of the uptan smoothen and add a glow to our skin. So let's start making the uptan. So first in the bowl, I am adding the sliced papaya. So papaya over here helps to reduce the dark spot of the face, chest, hand, elsewhere on the body, as we are making the uptan for the full body. Now after papaya, add the sliced cucumber in it. Cucumber helps to hydrate the body and reduce the inflammation of it. We have to make a mixture of them. So for grinding, I am using a hand blender. In the meantime, let's talk about the papaya and cucumber. So papaya has fruit acid known as alpha hydroxy acid. It is a chemical exfoliant. It works to improve skin by removing the top layer of the skin through weakening the lipids that bond them together, thus removing dull and the dead skin and relieving healthy skin cells. Papaya also increases the collagen production and thus give us a brighter skin. Now Cucumber has anti-inflammatory property because it is rich in vitamin C and caffeic acid. These both helps to reduce the inflammation and keep the body hydrated. Okay, this is the puree of cucumber and papaya. Now adding the slices of the bread. Why I am using the bread in this uptan is because yeast found in the bread is an antioxidant that helps reduce redness and irritation. It smoothens the texture of your body like nothing else and contribute majorly to regenerate the new cells. I'm grinding this bread with the blender. You can also mix it with your hand. So whenever you apply this uptan, you feel the difference in the results of using the bread slices in it. Now after this, I'm adding the besan in it. Besan or the chick flour or the gram flour, one and the same thing. Besan is the one of the most common thing which is used in the uptan from the ages. If any uptan doesn't have the besan in it, then it is not the uptan. So this besan is rich in the protein and the unsaturated fatty acids like oleic acid and linoleic acid. Now after this, add the malai, that is a milk cream. There is a best trio of malai, turmeric and lemon. So what malai basically do is, it provides the softness to the skin definitely, but apart from it, it boosts the collagen, prevent from anti-aging and helps in the pore tightening. Turmeric, for ages we are using it in the India, especially in the South India. It reduces the skin melanin production. See, now it's just looking like a typical Indian uptan by its appearance. Okay, after this, I'm adding the lemon juice in it. Just add the quarter of the lemon. When we use lemon with turmeric, so both of them, what they do is, lemon lighten the skin and turmeric reduce the hyperpigmentation. Lemon also work as exfoliator and blackhead buster. Now in the last, I'm adding the almond oil in it, around the 10 drops. I'm using almond oil for the discoloration of the skin. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and niacin, which helps to reduce the hyperpigmentation and improve the skin toning and also give the calming and the hydration effect to the skin. So all the ingredients from this uptan comes together and give us brighter, clear, smoother and radiance to the texture of our skin. So after making it, remove this uptan in a container. You can apply this uptan to your full arms, legs, chest, belly, back, everywhere. You can store this uptan for the 3 to 4 days in a refrigerator. So this is our uptan and it's look like this, beautiful, creamy. I'm applying this uptan on my hand so that you can see how it's look like after the application. So it is smooth, creamy and velvety. This Uptan is the full body Uptan. You can apply it to your full arms, legs, chest, all over your body and let it dry for the 10 to 20 minutes. When Uptan begins to dry, start removing it by rubbing it to and fro, section of the whole body till it has fully rolled off your skin. After washing off, you can feel that your skin become more clear, brighter and softer than ever. And now you are ready to give an unmatched glow. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.